Hi, welcome to the channel Girish Kalihar. So if you are watching this video in my channel for the first time, please hit the subscribe button just below this video and press the bell icon next to the subscription button so that you will not miss any video whenever I upload to this channel. So in this video I am going to show you how to solve the points problems, so especially projection of points. So let us see the problem. As look at the statement of the problem. A point G is 30 mm in front of VP, 40 mm above HP and 50 mm from right profile plane. So draw its projections. So that means there is a point, it is named as G, and that point is 30 mm above the VP, where VP means vertical plane. So it is 30 mm in front of VP, sorry. So 30 mm in front of VP. So it is 30 mm in front of vertical plane and 40 mm above HP. So that is 40 mm above the horizontal plane and 50 mm from the right profile plane, where RPP is nothing but right profile plane. So we need to draw the point G's projections. Okay, so let us see how to do that. So go to the Solid Edge ST7 software. Okay, so it is clear that the point is in first quadrant. As you can see, in the first quadrant it is very simple. The point should be, or any object should be, above the horizontal plane and in front of the vertical plane. In the problem statement they have given point G is in front of vertical plane and above the horizontal plane. Hence the point G is in first quadrant. Okay, go to the Solid Edge ST7, select isometric draft. The first thing you need to do is you have to go for the sheet setup. As you can see, once you select that, you need to go for the sheet name. As you can see the cursor, go for sheet 1. Okay, and make the sheet setup. Right click, select sheet setup, directly go for background. Okay, select it, select the background sheet as A4 sized sheet and switch off the background and save it as default. The purpose of saving it as default is there is no need to make the sheet setup again and again. So once you complete the problem in the sheet 1, if you insert one more sheet, automatically the sheet you are going to get is A4 sized sheet, because you have already clicked on save defaults. Okay, then click OK. So this is the A4 size sheet, and fit, click on fit so that it will fit to the window size. Now go to the sketching mode, select the sketching tools. In that, select line command. Okay, first go for line type, select continuous line and thickness of XY line. We need to draw the XY line thickness as 0.15 mm and draw the XY line approximately at the center by selecting continuous line, and thickness of that line should be 0.15 mm. Draw the XY line approximately at the center and leave some space to write the annotations like X and Y. So once you draw the line, first you need to name what is this line. This line is called as XY line. So go for annotation, select text, write this as X and this one as Y. Okay, so I will increase the size so that it is clearly visible for you. Let us make it as 5 mm. Okay, you can see now. Now once you've done this, as we know that in the first quadrant it is clearly mentioned the point G is in first quadrant because it is in front of VP and above HP. So in the first quadrant, always the vertical plane will be above the XY line and horizontal plane will be below the XY line. So that we need to write here. Okay, let us do that. Go for text again, write VP and HP. Okay, so now it is ready for drawing. A point G is 30 mm in front of VP. So 30 mm in front of VP, 40 mm above HP and 50 mm from right profile plane. So first we need to draw the top view. If you see from the top, so point will be, its image will be on the horizontal plane. So select standard thickness of the point as 2 mm. Then draw the top view of the point in the horizontal plane. Go for smart dimension. Just give the dimension between, or the distance between XY line and that point should be 30 mm. Okay, because it is 30 mm in front of VP. So name this as top view G, and we need to project this point so that we'll get the front view of that point that is in the vertical plane. Again, go for smart dimension, give the dimension as 40 mm. Okay, so 40 mm. Then go for text, name this as front view G dash. Okay, once you done this, go for line command, continuous line, select the XY line thickness as 0.15, draw the X1 Y1 line like this. So in order to get the side view, so go for the text, mention this as X dash. Okay, I can write it here, and the below one is Y dash. Okay, selecting the text, again we can mention it as Y dash. So after this, so we need to go for the smart dimension. So before this we need to show the projection line. Select, let us go for line command, continuous line, and projection line thickness should be 0.05 mm. So project this from top view to the front view, that is from G to G dash. Then go for smart dimension. The distance between these two, that is from RPP, they have given it as 50 mm. Let us give this as 50 mm. Okay, as you can see here, once again I will show you. So give this dimension, go for smart dimension, give the distance between the right profile plane and the projections should be 50 mm. Okay, then you can just drag the annotations near to the points. Okay, same case for the dimension lines. So after this, go for the projection line thickness from the intersection point of these X, Y and X dash Y dash line. Draw the inclined line and the inclination should be 45 degree. Enter 45 degree. So after this, let us make these annotations, the dimensions should be visible. So let us scale it to 1.5. Now it is clearly visible for you, I think. Now go for the line command, just project it, don't stop, just project beyond the line, then later you can trim this like this. Then project the line above, that is upwards, and from G dash project right hand side, and go for trim option, trim the extra projection lines, and select the point, and standard thickness of the point should be 2 mm. Select 2 mm or enter 2 mm here, then place the point exactly at the intersection and name this as G double dash. By selecting the text, you can name it as G double dash. Okay, let us increase the text size also to the 1.5 times so that it is clearly visible for you. Okay, you can see here. So this is how you need to solve the problems. Now go for leader, and we have projected from G to G dash, then G to G double dash like this, then here right hand side and here upwards. This is, you can show, it clearly indicates that in which way we have created the projection. Okay, you can see here we have moved from G to right hand side, then upward, from G dash to right hand side, so that we will get the G double dash, which is nothing but the side view. Okay, so that you can mention by using the text command. You can write it here. This is RPP, that is right profile plane, and you can mention it here as side view. You can write it here, side view. Okay, so this is how you need to solve the problem. It is very simple. They have given a point G is 30 mm in front of VP and 40 mm above HP, okay, and 50 mm from the right profile plane. So draw its projection. So this is the solution for that. I hope you have understand this clearly. So if you still have any doubts regarding this one, you can comment below in the comment box. And if you want further clarification, if you want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you like this video, just hit the like button. And if you have any doubt, don't forget to comment. Thank you.